Good morning, good morning. All right, welcome back, everybody. Woo, let's go. Everybody in the saddle here. Let's rock and roll today. How about that? Good morning, George. Marcia, good morning. God bless you. Woo. God bless the RLT traders. Welcome aboard, everybody. Come on. What are we going to do today? Let's make some money, have some fun. How about that? Let's take a look at the NQ. Let's see if we got some good audio here today. Let's get this rolling. Okay, we're good already. Got it cranked up. George, what are you trading this morning? Got the NQ here. Looking at the chart. Coming in hot. Got the 2-minute. Coming up the leaderboard here. It's already at $1,000. It made a nice trade this morning. Out of the blue. Caught that beauty right here. Middle of the night, 4 o'clock. Got the velocity filter on this thing, so it doesn't wake up until there's 100 ticks on a 2-minute candle. She's awake though. Alive and kicking right about now. It took some heat right here, folks. So it took some heat on this one. She came down right down here. Let's take a look at where this trade entered. It's a 2-minute. NQ 2-minute. It took the entry right here, but it took some heat. Took some heat coming down. We do have the fast line hooked up to it. So once it hits, I think 30 ticks up here in the positive direction, we'll then attach it right here to this dashed line and take it out when the dashed line flips. Hey, Rue, good morning. Welcome back, Rue. In the ring, baby. Let's rock and roll, Rue. There you go. ODPs and HOUSE, baby. Come on, Rue. Got the big bags of cash today. Those gold nuggets. All right. Let's go. Let's make some money and have some fun. What are we going to do today? Leaderboard's looking juicy. This 2 minutes looking nice. I'll tell you. That thing, beautiful trade setup. What a strategy last night. It was alive all night long. I enabled them last night at about 10 o'clock p.m. It sat on its hands all the way till 4 in the morning. It took that short trade, got a first target. Now it's second trade of the day here. Took a long trade here, got a big target on this one. 200 ticks, $1,000 bill. Stop loss is 100 ticks. NQ 2-minute. Let me show the disclaimer real quick. Any signals or trading opportunities that I provide here orally or electronically are disclosed for educational and demonstrational purposes only. Me or my team take no responsibility for any trades that you may take on your behalf for profit or loss. And if it's your first time trading or just kind of getting back into it, research your financial situation with a licensed financial advisor before you jump in the ring here, because this thing moves super quick and you never know. You get caught on a wick here and take you out at the knees, baby. Make it hurt. Steven's in the ring this morning. Steven, good morning. You guys got a little snow on the ground yet up there? Come on, brother. What you doing? Yeah. Get mojo. The minute I open my mouth, something comes right. Shit. No, very lucky to grow up in Michigan. Beautiful area. Beautiful city. Beautiful area around there. Alright, here we go. Got the NQ 2-minute we're looking at today. Nice, smooth setup for it. Pushing up nicely this morning. So got the NQ2 minute running up the leaderboard here. Got it on both of my machines here, looking like it's about a $1,200 bill. What a beautiful trade. What a beauty. So let me change these crosses to match the 100 tick velocity filter. So we only get 100 tick trades, I think. I'll have to check that in a second. Do it here. I'm just going to check the settings of this retirement plan real quick so I can understand what it's doing in the behind the scenes here. So all of our strategies are built with these settings in the background, and there's a number of them, but you know, we know what most of them are doing. Okay, so I'm going to open up the retirement plan. Okay, so the retirement plan strategy settings live right here, and we're looking at all these indicators up here. These are kind of the proprietary indicators. These are kind of the high level ones, so just kind of going a quick overview is MI is our price accelerator signal, and that's the triangles, so that's the MI. The type is what kind of chart. So this one's a range. You know, in this case, we're going to look at a range chart. The MI input is a 1. So it's a minute, a 1 minute. The bias is 13, so that's a fib number. And bias is a multi-time frame assessment of trend. So that's the bias. And I want to just go down here to the bottom though and see what the ATM, we call this the trade management, what the trade management's doing. So here's the action on the trade. What you see now, let me try to make this a little smaller. Let's see the action on the trade and see how that's happened here with the strategy. So this stop right here, this red thing that says sell STP, that's our stop loss. It started out at 46 ticks down. And down here, as this hit 60 ticks in profit, so $300. Once this showed $300 on the display here, this target flew up to 60. I'm sorry, flew up here to break even. Should have flew to 11, so I had to write that down. That's something that's not working. We used to only do one contract strategies, but we've started to do two. So this is a one contract. Should be at 11. Have to talk to Sergio and ask him what he's what's he seeing here. I think I might have the different settings in this one. I have to have different settings. I'll have to look. After this trade, I'll take a look at the settings here. I think they might be a little different, because this one flew to break even, not 11. So you can disable a strategy during its trade, and you can go look. The only thing you won't want to do is re-enable it while it's still in the trade. So we can go take a look here at the strategy setting. So I have the velocity filter engaged on this retirement plan. So it's only waking up when there's enough action on the table, and using signal A with no 50, because we're gonna usually fight the 50 on this is a counter trend trade, and I've got it at 100, 200. So this is a $500 trade, $500 risk. They're with 100 ticks. They're $5 a piece. So 100 times 5 get you $500 bill that you're putting down, and that's the setup for the strategy right here. So something cool that I'm trying to figure out and share with you guys is that, so this is a $500 trade risk with the NQ, but the MNQ, it's a $50 risk. So if you have a little bit smaller pot to start with, you just literally go change this one thing right here from NQ to MNQ down here. It's called a micro and MNQ, and it's the same exact instrument that you're trading, same exact identical instrument, except it's 1/10 of the cost. So instead of a $500 trade, it's a $50 trade. So that's a really clever way to scale down to the right approach for your stack, or getting a consistent payout on a PA account. A good strategy would be to take one of these that are really flying off the hook, put them on the M&Q, and just let them drift. Let them try to make 200 or 300 a day instead of 2,000 or 3,000. And you can, what it does is it really gives you bigger stops and targets, which really play into your favor on these instruments that move significantly. That's what we've noticed in the ES, for example, that Robert threw in there. It had a 100 tick stop on the ES. That's a stiff one. That's a $1,250 trade. So you got to have a stack to go into that trade. Now, if you use the MES, which is the exact same instrument as the ES, which is the S&P 500, you're trading 1/10 of that cost, so it's $125. So now it's more palatable to jump into the ring and not feel like you're going to get smoked. So that one typically will take maybe 2 to 3 trades a day. So if you hit all 3 losers, 125 a piece, you're looking at about $400 bill, something like that. So that's kind of the setup of the bots and a little bit of the, how they work. Right now, this one's looking really, really good and juicy, almost like it's got edge. Like, to me, that shows edge. It was alive and waiting all night. It jumped in the ring at the absolute perfect time. caught that beauty and then sat on its hands again until this trade. Took some heat here on the entry. Let's see how much heat it took. So it entered right here on this little blue diamond. You can barely see it. And then I'm just going to go down to the next candle, usually even sometimes in the same candle. So we can see this candle, the lowest wick is somewhere down in here. So it took at least 62 ticks of heat here. Yeah, Rue, I know this one is somehow your favorite. Yeah, I was watching a professional trader yesterday on YouTube, and he trades the 2-minute, and I think the 2-minute is a nice indication of trend for the NQ. It's always been kind of the one that I drift back to figure out what the heck things are doing. Looking at a nice looking smiley face coming up, hopefully. All right, Rue. Snuck in on the GC. I figured you would. Way to go, Rue. Got the nugget rolling. Steven, are you trading this morning? What are you looking at? Give me a newspaper first fold review. You guys know what the first fold is? It's the back in the olden days, Steven probably knows. Most of our communities my age or older probably. So the first fold was the old newspaper stands. You would just walk by them, I guess, and see just the top part sticking out from the other paper that's above it, and it's called the first fold. So it's just kind of like the headlines, the top headlines. Okay, NQ's coming drifting back to the 620s. It pushed up to 710 last night, 4 in the morning. Whew. I've got a BC scalper here that came up. I don't really know what it's doing. It's usually this one's trading like a mad dog here. I have to figure it out. 8 Unarenko. I put a lot of restrictions on these strategies here over the night, using that velocity filter, trying to keep them enabled all the time and only have them wake up when there's action. Like, it makes no sense to trade in low action. Low action gets you smoked. Uh-oh, coming back on us. Break even on this guy. I don't think I was using the 50, or the 15, obviously I wasn't, but I'm going to. Could have preserved a little bit of capital there on that trade. Go look at my winner, and I didn't really need it, I don't think. You don't know if this little 15 would have changed colors here to green or not. Might have. But it did change here, so I'm gonna add this 15 filter in here, so hopefully when the 15 changes from green to red right here, it'll take me out of the trade next time. Although if this thing stays alive, I'll be an idiot, because then I won't let the trade breathe right. Yeah, me too, Steven. We're all on the sidelines, on the edge of the ring, on the ropes, taking a look. See if it looks like it's worth jumping into. I got some fresh PAs I want to put to work, but I don't want to go in the ditch right away. I'll wait a few minutes. See if we can catch one of these that are in the groove here. It's hopeful on these runners, but I don't see no action here. Yeah, that velocity filter takes the edge right off, Steven. I'm not kidding you. I actually can't believe how well that worked last night. Like that, it's really actually unbelievable. If someone showed me this, I'd be like, bullshit, dude. That don't really work like that. Wow, look at this thing. I'm gonna measure this other one. Looks like this other one was long enough too, this other candle. Nobody has a velocity filter. 72, no, needed 100 ticks. That one's 72 ticks, that candle. This bad boy, on the other hand, 100 ticker. Look at that, mom. Dude. Wow. Huh. Caught it right there at 100 ticks, too. Entry. Jeez, that's perfect. Whew. Man. Shoot. You can't dial them up better than that thing. Holy moly. That's a 100 tick stop loss. 100 tick velocity filter. And that one's a 200 tick target on this one. Man, it caught that damn beauty. Could have ran it down for 300 ticks, it looks like. Let's look at this run. Caught the entry. It took us out here. Somewhere here. 200 ticks somewhere. But this darn thing, look at this beauty. Whew. Man, sheesh, 378 ticker. Woo, that'd fill the bank. That would fill the bank. Coming back on us. Alright, $1,000 bill. Whew. I'm gonna add the 15 in this. So I'm gonna go down and grab I do have it. It's 70 ticks. Didn't quite make 350 bucks, but it got close. I did. We'll take a sliver off if it gets there next time. Doesn't look like anybody's gonna flinch yet today. right, any other instruments working for us today? Got a little cash register moving. CL's got a little pump here. Signal B too, that's usually a trend trade, so let's go take a look there. Maybe there's something there. NQ is going to be a little stiff here. And there it goes. I'm liking this trade. This is a beauty. A lot upward trend here. Oh yeah, it's a nice looking trade. Another little leg up here. Nice smiley face coming back. Be looking for it to come back up to 69.11. CL's making a nice move. A lot of green on the board. That green is a multi-time frame trend analysis. This one's a beauty. We got the green dot. The green dot's good. Green dot is the candle pattern recognition. It's a bullish candle. Another cross jumped in. All indications are going good, baby. Here we go. Go for a ride. Oh yeah. It's gonna be a beauty. I should be jumping in on this one. This one's a looking good trade right here. Oh, run a CL. Always got something to trade. I'll go ahead and take it out of the trade and jump in with my strategies over here, the PA account. Let's go. So now if the black gold drone will jump in again, I'll join it with number 331 right here. Oh, shoot. I forgot to change this to CL. Darn it. Alright, let me take it out one more time. Forgot my trade copier is kind of a little finicky here. Got to put this on the instrument that I'm trading, not the NQ. I'm trading this. It's gonna be the CL here. Getting a good pullback anyway. Come on, baby, pull way back for me. Come on. Boy, I like this trade. Man, gotta get in this thing. Come on. Alright, here we go. Is that the instrument? CL125? Yes. Okay. Alright, so we're in. Got the PA331 here. We'll take the next trade, hopefully take the next trade on the CL here if this black gold jumps back in long. Like the way the chart's looking. A lot of green action here, a lot of background bias, so any luck, we'll get another leg up. Okay, we jumped in on that one. So we got the CL working over on the left. So over on the left is the SIM account that I'm copying. You can't tell which one's the entry because it took a bunch. But you can see the entry over here. I got the entry on my my PA account at 68.69. Looks like over here I've got a 68.69. So I got a 68.67 too, but who knows? Probably was the 68.69 that triggered this one too, and both got filled at the same price, hopefully. But just like all the contracts that are traded here on on the futures instruments, you're talking about paper here that we're changing hands. There's only so many buyers and sellers in line here on the dome, and the pit boss decides who's going to get the action. Nice looking cash register trade here on the ES. That's really starting to make some moves here, coming up the leaderboard. Woo. Nice trade it's in there. All right, yeah, Edward, come on aboard. Got an awesome Discord community here, Right Line Trading. Everybody's making a lot of action in there. See if we get this CL trade to run away here for us. Get the 2-minute retirement plan working on an account here. I think that's a good looking strategy for today, it appears. As soon as it catches this push up, it'll jump in. Oh boy, what did I do? Huh. Accidentally put that on the M and Q there. I'm not showing that earlier. Don't want to trade the M and Q here. We want to trade the NQ on this one. There we go. Let's save this guy. Okay, so that one's working behind the scenes. We'll go ahead and build another one just like it. Grab that template, new strategy. Exact same thing. This is what the house loves right here, folks. They love a strategy that is repeatable. All we all want to do is make money and have fun. It's not anything more than that. Got the velocity filter in here, so if it gets lame duck session, we're out. We go to sleep. No lame duck trading here. I'll change this. Okay, yeah, we fly up to 20. Okay, good. It's doable. In this case, I'm going to put this one just on a PA account. Okay, we got the black gold. We got all kinds of goodies on the black gold chart here. We've got the bullish candle. We've got the cross. All systems are go. All we need is buyers. That's the CL. And the NQ hung up here at 21,600. Untradeable right now. Save your money, folks. Okay, CL's looking hot. We want to run up there to 69. Come on, folks. We got 69.2 pegged here. 69.2. Okay, we'll find somewhere to trade. If the NQ won't let us trade, we'll find somewhere. It's like when I go to the casino, I keep walking around until I find the right table. Like there's got to be somewhere that looks right, you know, where it just looks like home. People are having fun, the energy's good. You always got to look around. So we're going to trade the 2 minute on the NQ, and we're going to trade the CL here, the 10 range, the black gold, signal B. See if we can make a little movement here today. Okay, look at all the resistance down here. Woo, look at all that support. Look at the house, man, it's full. Setting up for failure down there. That's the chopping block, folks. That's the chopping block. All those shorties. Ouch. Ouch. That hurts. Looking good on the CL. One more little flip. Come on, baby. One for the home team here. This particular strategy over here on the left that we're checking out on the CL, this one is a unique one. This one, once we go ahead and tap this target, we are clean. We got no risk on the table here, folks. It's a freebie. You play with the house's money. That's the best way to trade. Somebody else's money. Oh boy, here comes the buzzsaw on the NQ. Woo! Here comes the buzzsaw on the NQ on the right. How low can you go? Little flicker on the left on the CL. Here we go. Got a $300 trade under our belt here. Come on, baby. Move with the rhythm to 69 for us. Okay, we got some money to be made here. All of a sudden, this stuff just started breaking through. Woo! Here goes the leaderboard. Come on. Everybody's jumping in now. Oh, baby. Here we go. Everybody's been waiting for this one. Looks like we got a scalper coming through the leaderboard here. Where did it go? NQ20U scalper. Oh yeah, we're flying now. This is what we're waiting for. Jump in the ring here. Woo! ABC drone. Here we go. This thing's gonna make some waves here. Boom. Flew down with a stop. Oh baby. Come on. Woo! Here we go. Tapping it. $1,000 bill on that one right there. Woo! Oh, $1,000 sniper coming in hot. Oh, baby, we got all kinds of money to be made here. This scalper's coming alive. Shit. I'm gonna have to go ahead and move off this CL now that we got real action going on here. I think I can just go ahead and drop this and go to another one. Wow. No way. What? Are you serious? I can do this on the NQ now? Oh my gosh, this is too good to be true. Does this really work? Huh. Wow, this is awesome if this works this way. I just created a new tab. Oh, sweet. Yeah. So I created a new tab. Oh, wow, that is super awesome. So I can create a new tab with a different instrument and add different accounts. Wow, that is sweet. Okay, we're going to catch this 2-minute trade here coming up, folks. This could be a beauty. This could be a beauty coming back. Come on. We'll see if it has enough legs to grow up in there. That was a big leg down. Man, right after that monster move in the middle of the night. Ooh, wow. Sheesh. Great move. That was a beautiful move right there. If you're in on that beauty. Woo. Okay, so for this PA account, oh yeah, yeah, for this this PA account, I just slipped up the stop just above I slipped up the stop just above where we bought at. So in case I do get stopped out, we're at least going to be about break even on the trade. It does have a trailer behind it, but it was a couple of ticks below price. I didn't want to take a small loser. Big leg down right there on the NQ. That was a hog's leg right there. Oh, hog's leg. So I got a couple of them locked in. Got 331, 332, and 333 all loaded up. So 333 will jump in if we get this ABC drone to jump off here. This one right here. Here with the AI Auto Trader, all we do is wait and watch the bots do their thing here. Just watch them try to mine a little bit of cash out of the market for us. And the sniper's in over here, going short. $20 Unorenko Signal D, 1K sniper. Looking for a big leg down here. It'd be about 2 handles. We're gonna wait for this 2-minute. Hopefully we'll catch a nice 2-minute to the upside here. That's my guess, but who knows? Maybe the sniper knows more than I know. We do, Edward. We have this room open every day, Monday through Friday. On Tuesday and Thursday, we've got the 2 professional discretionary traders jumping in the ring here. We've got Craig Emery jumping in tomorrow, and then David Kushner jumping in on Thursday. So you're able to see some of the pros here at work pulling the trigger. We jumped in. We're in all over the place now. All kinds of action here, folks. Got the sniper in. We got a little nugget. Got a little nugget off that one there. I live out here in Miami Beach, and man, it's like a circus out here. It's awesome. Got someone all Yankee out here. All right, we just jumped in again. So we got all kinds of action. We got number 333 going off here. Okay, PA 333. It's in the ring here. 333. Going short. Got a $200 bill now. Oh, here we go. Got my stop blinked in there. We got 11 tick target on that one. And we're rolling a $100 trade now, putting me up at a $300 bill over here. Market's getting soft here on the NQ today, folks. Got a $200 point move today so far, downside. Almost 200 point move downside. Oh, nug. Little sliver. I have to jump in with this sniper here. It's really cranking. Hate to watch him just crank without me. Let me try this again. This is pretty fun, so I can just duplicate this guy. This time I want the sniper. We're going to load him up here like a 6-shooter. Okay, baby, come on, tap on the door here. Come on, 69, where you at? Got a $300 trade here, come on. $334's in. Here we go. We got live action going on now. We got all kinds of action. We're in all over the place here. Woo! Let's go make some money today, folks. Woo! Yes. We were hopeful. Okay, the CL. Come on, baby. Look at that thing. Come on. One more tick for a friend. Oh, man. This is hardcore, huh? Hardcore trading here. We got the bots jumping in on them. Come on, baby. One more flicker. And we're on the doorstep. Trying to get in. Uh-oh, it's coming back on us on the CL over here. Okay, taking a look at the NQ here. We took 2 legs down already this morning. Having a little bit of recovery from that second leg here. This strategy is a 2-minute strategy. It jumped in long when we had that good comeback here. We'll see what happens at around 550. If it gives up 550, we might want to run for the hills here. Might be in trouble here. Whew. We got caught upside down on that one. Ooh, 333 is smoking. Okay, ripping them to the downside here. We've got the NQ. We're running hard here. Got a $300 trade here in this PA account, 333. Try to take something off the table here on the CL. All right, way to go, Steven. 1,500. Big dogs. Oh, scalper, huh? We got the scalper moving. Oh, shoot, the BC scalper is going off here, too. Shoot. Ah, wow, look at these bad boys. Woo! Got some beauties jumping off here. About a $1,000 bill on this one. Take it off at 1,000 if I can catch it. And we're gonna hold tight there. Darn it. Shit. Damn. And a $1,000 bill almost there. Here we go. Try to take them off at about 1,000 for today if we can. Nice shot, Marcia. Woo! Good job. 302 on the dot. All right. Making some cash. Hola! Here we go. Ah! A little bit more. Shoot. Darn it. Here we go. We'll take it. This darn thing on the CL here, boy, I'll tell you, these things go so slow. I can't stand trading these things. Ah! Take it. Take it. There we go. Alright, now go away. Alright, so that one will be working back there behind the scenes for us. And we'll jump in over here. Where's my other NQs? So I just put the ABC drone right here. It's smoking up the leaderboard here. So I it ran me up to almost 800 on this account, and now I've put it on these other two. See if it can pull one more rabbit out of the hat here. And this is the one we're trading, the NQ30 range, signal ABC drone. Numero uno for me right now. So we'll throw around a couple more accounts. It ran me up a $700 bill here with this one. Let's see if we can catch another beauty. Take a look at its trades. It's up $1,800 today. These are all of its entries and exits. Its last entry was a C, signal C entry. It caught a first target and then exited at line change. Nice shot, Rue. Another gold nugget. Ooh, that's like $2,000. Good job, Rue. Okay, looking at the NQ here, had a couple legs down earlier today, so we caught two little waterfalls. One, two, third one there. Nice push up on that one. We're back about where we were. Might find a floor here for a little bit. Got just a couple more minutes on the clock here. We got David Wise coming up with some options trades for you. Check out the SPY Super System and what he's looking at on the charts. Decent run today. Got a couple more in the chamber here. Hopefully keep on doing some moving here. Okay, we'll take one last look at the leaderboard. Looks like we're going to have a little bit of a lull here. Hopefully things flatten out on the NQ and we steady out here and then get a little smiley face going on into the afternoon. But other than that, let's take a look at the leaderboard. Looks like my ABC drone was numero uno for me here. My other computer, I got the BC Scalper as numero uno. So doing a couple of testing on some new strategies that I worked up last night. So we've got quite a few of these 20 Unorenko Signal D and then an 8 Unorenko Signal A's. Trying to work those, see what the best ATM to use for those is, and it looks like we've got pretty good entries on them. So that's a really encouraging sign. We got a lot of them up here on the leaderboard. So. Did some learning from the ES. I was using ChatGPT yesterday to do some data analysis, and man, did it work up some magic. So hopefully we continue to see positive numbers here like this for these strategies. But we got a couple of PA accounts up in the leaderboard, and we took that one hit there. So we got 3 stallions and 1 dog. 3 stallions and 1 dog. We'll see though, we got a little bit left here to trade, probably till noon or so, so we'll see how things go. But other than that, thanks again for joining us here at RLT TV, appreciate it. Everybody have a great day. It's Monday, shake off the cobwebs and the cold air up there, come on. Everybody have a great day, good luck trading, bye now.